So our Bafana coach Hugo Broos has released his squad for the World Cup qualifiers. I think it's 2 or 1 game. I'm not sure, but I don't wanna lie. And please don't get me wrong. I don't have any problem with all these boys that he has called on the squad, and I love the fact that they are we are very youthful. That's one thing I wanted to start seeing. A squad in say to scaling into an ingani. That's when our squad is gonna develop and become more strong, and we can be able to fight with the powerhouses, countries, and so on. And I love that about the squad that he selected. But and I'm not saying this just because I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, and I won't lie, my team hasn't been doing good. It's just that the team is not clicking. We are not there yet. We are still building. We got a new coach. A lot of our players lost injury. Ning Mang is not performing. Ning we are fighting with Bochiva Vieira. Cool. Like there's a lot going on with Chiefs. It's not performing. Cool. But there's just this one player. Like I feel like Guamaju Guting setting in Kaizer Chiefs fan or the Chiefs. I have hope, and Yas good Lintana lays on Kai hope, Mangepegi. Thanks all. And it's with Bamba team. I don't wanna lie, this boy has been performing the most performance. Like Lintana Lane Labo Ace. And so I feel like Nalintwana Labo Ace. Ace like Lintana carries Kaizer Chiefs catch. Sure Lintana no mighty Allah Lumkolum Pet. Who in Pet carrying Kaizer Chiefs. And I feel like we need that Nasa squad in Petu. Like I know the team is not doing good, but for the coach to just literally say the players must start improving, which is true. The players must start improving. The team must also improve, which is very, very true because we don't win. Okay, these days they're improving. They're kind of convincing. I won't say they're improving because we still don't have a style of play. It's okay. But there's this boy, bro, who literally carries the team by himself. And you want to tell me a player like that doesn't deserve an international, call up? Come on, bruh. I'm not saying play the boy, because I feel like international level wise he's not that ready yet. But will he be ready? You can see he can perform. Like it's what was happening. Who's this boy? Used to play for Man United. He's still playing for Man United. Think like Umainu. Remember when Maino, when they call him up for international level, everyone was like, will he perform? Isn't he young? If you press. But look at what that boy did international level. Played nicely and carried even the team. And so that's what I feel Katlego can do for us. So also fellow good Chiefs I perform. Sharp I perform, we all know. But my your fellow good Chiefs I perform. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Like I don't wanna lie, that's my take. I feel like Homeboy should have got a call up. But no more he wouldn't play. Ambulance page, it's fine. But just a call up, bruh. That boy is ace. That boy is carrying Chiefs. I want. Imagine. And you don't need him. That's Squatini. Come on, bro. But anyway, that's my take. Please let me know how do you feel about that. Katlego not being called on the international squad, which is very confusing for me. But anyway, let me know how you feel about that in the comment sections. And if you're new to the channel, please press that subscribe button, press the like button. That's my take from me, Katlego Sparkles, aka I Thought I Told You. See you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.